Look at that bus. That is Encanto. Very cool looking bus, that one. It's a very cool bus. Oh, yeah. I say no. Oh, good.
Have you been on this before?
It'll be alright, yeah.
You'll be alright?
Yeah.
Are you from England?
Yes.
You must be from the western part of England.
Eastern. Close.
Cowboy hat, the western.
Oh, right, yeah.
Not yet. Give me a second.
Fancy.
Isn't it fancy?
We've arrived at Magic Kingdom, but we've not got in Magic Kingdom. We're going straight back onto this little mini boat, which is going to take us to Fort Wilderness. That boat over there goes back to the TCC big car park for non-resort guests, but we're hoping this can take us to what could be the perfect shop for Pauline. This could be our boat. Yeah, it's just looking like our boat is coming into where the last one just pulled up.
Take your time, please.
No.
Should be good. Stay on the high side.
That's it.
Yep.
Face that way?
Yeah, face this way, yeah.
Your port of call in just a few minutes. Thanks for sailing with us.
Clear out, clear, sir.
Here comes the monorail. the Polynesia bungalows.
I've seen them.
is exciting, isn't it? Pauline wanted a cruise. Pauline's got a cruise. That's what she says to our diver above a cruise.
Perhaps I should be more specific.
Pacific. You're on a Pacific cruise. And there we go. We're going to go off there in a minute. This is the full Wilderness Lodge. There's cabins that side, which I think they back onto the water. So I think we see them when we come in the dock. And so there's two parts of the Wilderness. There's the campground where people turn up in their RVs, and this is the lodge. The lodge, it sounds like somewhere from Twin Peaks, doesn't it? And then down. You want to say? Oh, look at the big barbecues they got there. Wow. To the lobby. The lobby area now. Oh, that's better. So as you come up, it's very steep. Very steep, that's to be said. Wow. This is very posh, isn't it? Oh, it's Mercantile, that could be the shop. We just shop over there. Look at this totem pole. Donald, Goofy, Mickey at the top. And I don't know, is that Goofy? I don't know. Things we do to come for a gift shop. But this apparently is where there's going to be lots of Chip and Dale stuff. Hopefully. Bags there. Goofy hats. Lots of pins. This is a big gift shop.
Do you have any more of the charm for this?
Christmas. He's not gonna have one.
Ah. Pauline's rocking it. Well, that was a disaster. The lodge does not have the shop, which has the Chip and Dale merchandise. That is the Full Wilderness campground, and that in turn means you've got to get another internal bus, which could be this one, but how many stops that is, who knows, because I know the campground is huge, so we decided to call it quits. But at least we enjoyed our boat ride. Just didn't enjoy, in fairness, the hotel, very steep to get into it, and the gift shop we went in, it's like there's not a lot in there. I think were we staying at this resort, I think we'd be quite disappointed, because the boats, every other boat was wheelchair friendly, and even then Pauline had to do me backwards because there was still quite a big step between the boat and the dock, so not good at all. Would not stay at full wilderness for disabled people, not at all.